Let's cook with the petite mom.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you another method of making egusi soup, which is the frying method. Yes, there is a video of mine where I cooked egusi soup, but it was not this method I used. So in this particular video I'll be showing you the frying method of making egusi. You know, different people with different ways of making their egusi soup. So in this particular video, it's the frying method of making egusi. So guys, enjoy the video, and if you love the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Is that you? Is that you? Shelly, is that you? is that you? Shelly, is that you? Shelly, is that you? Shelly, is that you?
go crazy with you. Sweetland to this song, come on. Let's do it all, do it all.